AI isn't coming for jobs. It's already here. From customer service to content creation, these roles are being replaced faster than you think. Welcome to Cloveron Tech News, where we teach every tech and AI. Let's dive into the top ones you need to know.
In this video, I'll show you 10 jobs AI is already replacing and what you should do before it's too late. 1. Content writers. AI can now write blogs, scripts, and captions in seconds. What used to take hours is now instant. 2. Graphic designers. Logos, thumbnails, social media posts. AI tools can generate them with just a prompt. 3. Customer support agents. Chatbots are handling thousands of conversations 24/7 without breaks. 4. Data entry clerks. AI can process and organize data faster and with fewer errors. 5. Translators. Real-time AI translation is becoming more accurate every day. 6. Voiceover artists. AI voices now sound almost human and cost almost nothing. 7. Video editors basic level. AI can cut, caption, and even edit videos automatically. 8. Social media managers. Scheduling, captions, analytics AI can now automate most of it. 9. Junior programmers. AI can write and debug code in seconds, replacing entry-level tasks. 10. Online tutors basic subjects. AI can teach, explain, and answer questions instantly. But here's the truth. AI is not just replacing jobs, it's replacing people who don't adapt. If you learn how to use AI, you become more powerful, not obsolete. So don't fear AI, learn it. Because in 2026, the winners won't be the smartest. They'll be the ones who use AI the best. Subscribe for more tech insights before you get left behind.